Welcome to watch the Redfire mountain bike installation video tutorial. We divide the installation work into 7 steps. Step 1. Open the package. Open the box and take out the mountain bike and all accessories. And make sure that all the accessories in the box are complete. Step 2. Assemble the handlebar and stem. Rotate the stem 180 degrees clockwise. Use an L-shaped 4mm inner hexagon to remove the 4 screws on the stand. And then install the handlebar. And then use the 4 removed screws to lock the handlebar. Step 3. Assemble the seat tube and disc brake. We put the saddle tube into the seat tube. Tighten the quick release screws and fasten the saddle tube with the quick release. Put the mountain bike upside down on a level ground. Then we use the L-shaped 5mm inner hex installation tool to fix the disc brake on the front fork. Remember to tighten. Step 4. Install the front wheel. Put the front wheel on the front fork. We put the disc and the disc brake on the same side. Take out the quick release lever of the front hub. We use the quick release lever to pass through the front wheel and fix them. Finally, test whether the front wheel is installed firmly. Step 5. Install pedals. Take out the wrench. Here, pay attention to distinguish the left and right sides of the pedals. L is the pedal on the left, and R is the pedal on the right, after rotating and fixing the left pedal with the letter L on the crank. Tighten it with a wrench. The important thing to note here is that the pedals must be tightened so as to ensure that the pedals will not slip off or be damaged when riding. In the same way, we rotate and fix the right pedal with the letter R on the crank, and then lock it with a wrench. Step 6. Testing the transmission system. We lay the mountain bike flat on the ground. Keep the rear wheels off the ground. Press the gear lever by hand while shaking the pedals, and check the transmission effect of the front and rear transmissions and flywheels at the same time. Step 7. Testing the brake. After tightening the brake wire at the front disc brake position, we use the L-shaped 5mm inner hex installation tool to tighten the 3 screws on the disc brake, so that the disc is stably fixed in the middle of the disc brake. After tightening the brake wire at the position of the rear disc brake, use the L-shaped 5mm hex socket installation tool to tighten the 3 screws on the disc brake, so that the disc is stably fixed in the middle of the disc brake. Try it to see if the brake system is working properly. If you still can't install the mountain bike correctly, send an email to flyingmountainbike@gmail.com. We will give you technical support within 24 hours. Thank you for watching.